In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Notion. As we dive into this process, you'll see just how simple and intuitive it is, making your Notion workspace even more effective. First, let's get started by navigating to the specific page in Notion where you'd like to upload your file. It's essential to have an organized structure for your files, so taking a moment to determine the exact location in your workspace where this file belongs is an excellent first step. Once you're on your chosen page, the process of uploading starts with entering a simple command. All you have to do is type in a slash followed by the word files. This command is an easy way to call up the options for adding files to your page. The slash is a powerful feature in Notion that triggers various commands, making it easier to format and enrich your content with minimal effort. Next, after typing the slash and files, a prompt will appear giving you two options. You can either upload your file directly from your computer or insert a link to an online file instead. If you decide to upload directly, a window will pop up allowing you to browse through your device and select the desired file. This method comes in handy if you have documents saved locally that you want to incorporate into your Notion page. On the other hand, if your file is already online, for instance in a cloud storage service or a web page, you can simply embed the link. This is particularly useful for files that reside on other platforms, enabling seamless integration without the need to duplicate files across different storage solutions. It's important to be mindful of one key limitation, especially if you're using Notion on the free plan. The size of each file you upload can't exceed 5 megabytes. While this might seem restrictive, it's a manageable constraint if you plan accordingly, perhaps by compressing files or using alternative methods for larger documents. For many regular files, like text documents or compressed images, this limit will be more than sufficient. And there you have it. Though these steps might seem simple at first glance, they massively augment your ability to keep all essential files in one convenient location within Notion. Taking advantage of this feature ensures that your workspace doesn't just hold ideas and tasks, but also the concrete resources you need to act on them. We hope this guide helps you make the most of Notion's file management features. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!